Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to talk about because this has been absolutely wild. We have new clearance markdowns, new penny items, and surprise penny items. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other DG videos that you might want to go and check out, because Dollar General has been absolutely on fire this week. It has been so hard to keep up with all of the deals going on. So if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check it out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, let's go ahead and talk about our new clearance markdowns and our new penny list for this week at Dollar General. And please keep in mind that these prices will not drop until Tuesday, December the 5th. So this week we only have one new clearance markdown, and that is on our Harvest category. Those items are going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday. And as for our penny list, we have the Jack Link's beef jerky going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, December the 5th. Now I know that a lot of people have been picking these up at 90% off, and that is a fantastic deal as well. I know I have already picked some up, but if you find these on or after Tuesday, you can buy these for just 1 penny. Now, we're not done just yet because, like I said, we have a lot to talk about in this video, and up next, we're going to be talking about surprise penny items. A lot of you all sent in pictures. Thank you so much. You guys are absolutely amazing. I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Pat, Lisa, Tommy, Callie, Ophelia, Candace, Heather, Amy, Billy, and Brianna. Now, as we take a look at these items, I want you all to keep in mind that your miles may vary. A lot of these items have turned out to be your miles may vary items. For example, the baby shark stuff did not penny out in my area at any of my stores. So here we're taking a look at makeup, and this is a big category that pennied out. We have Maybelline, CoverGirl, Conair, hairbrushes, hair accessories. We have Wet n Wild and Believe Beauty makeup products. Now, once we get through with our makeup pictures here, you're going to see a slide pop up with coloring books, another pretty big category. I believe it was in my second video about penny items where I posted all the coloring books that I had found, and here are a few new ones. So make sure that you take note of that. Check in your regular coloring book section. Also, another huge category that had a lot of items, a lot of people were scoring on the crafter's choice. Stickers, washi tape, the big clothespins. Up next, we have a little bit of everything with some face masks. We have yellow dot. We have even more trail mix. Up next, we have another As Seen on TV product with the Magic Minerals. Here's another really cool item. We have the color-changing citronella candles. There's the UPC. And also, be on the lookout for this Arm & Hammer toothpaste right here. It is a penny. We do have a coupon and a cashback offer, so that makes it a huge moneymaker. All right, now y'all pause the video and look at these pictures if you need to, but I want you to take note. We have the Baby Shark puzzles. We have the little Billy Bones. We have Tom's of Maine men's and women's deodorant, along with some socks that have now pennied out. We have the As Seen on TV Easy Egg. We have tons of party supplies, 3-2-1 party, as well as frozen party supplies, along with tons of the Baked with Love bakeware. We have the little cookie tins, cookie cutters. I mean, we have a little bit of everything, and you all did absolutely amazing finding all of these penny items. I have been celebrating all week with you guys, so thank you so much for sending in your pictures once again. Now, I also wanted to go ahead and share my haul with you guys as well, because this has been absolutely wild. In the entire time that I've been penny shopping and couponing, I have never experienced anything like this. I mean, these past 2 weeks have been absolutely crazy just from the sheer amount of penny items that I am still finding out there. And there are penny shoppers, a lot of us in this area. So I'm not quite sure what's going on, if there's just so many people are forgetting to look for certain items at certain times. I don't know. But anyways, I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys what happened to me this week, because if you've been following along, I did have jury duty. That's why I didn't put out as many videos. That was a big, big bummer, and it took up the majority of my time this week. So I was pretty disappointed, but in the end, it worked out just fine. I found tons of penny items. The first time that I went was Tuesday evening. I ran out, I scanned everything, and you guys saw a lot of the things that I found in that first video that I posted. I believe it was on Wednesday morning. So then the second time that I ran out, I was just running in to grab a sandwich after jury duty because I was starving, and I walked past the freezer section and found a ton of frozen berries, blueberries, mixed berries, OMG, and I literally walked out of that store with a buggy full of penny items, everything from the baker's little cookie tins, those frozen berries, beef jerky. We had 4th of July stuff, Pink Square, and there was another penny shopper in there, and we kind of split things up pretty evenly. I mean, she found what she found beforehand. We traded a couple of things. It was an amazing experience for the most part. Now, I did have a little incident with the employee, but in the end, everybody laughed it off and we all went about our ways. Now, the third trip that I made was last night. So we're talking Friday night. I ran out to grab some milk for the kiddos, and I walked out with literally a buggy full of everything from Halloween to 4th of July to Pink Square, Mother's Day, Green Dot, just tons of items. As you all can see here, I'm kind of showing you all. Please look over the background. I had to lay a tablecloth on my floor because I didn't want all of those, some of these clearance items are they're just not that clean. So anyways, 4th of July, Pink Square, we have the ice packs. I found an entire box, never touched, 20 packs in there. Of course, like I said, I have split a lot of this stuff up with either employees or other penny shoppers along the way. I don't mind one bit. I love sharing. I love trading out. That way we can all get a little bit of everything. I also found tons of the back to school stuff. Here we have the mace, the Sharpies, the cord clips, which I am definitely going to be using in the next couple of weeks when we're decorating for Christmas. We have duct tape. I even found another lighter and some of those addition, what are they, little wipe clean workbooks. Now, with all that being said, I have a ton more, and I do plan on digging it out and putting together a haul video, hopefully within the next couple of days. It's just been raining here for a couple of days, so unfortunately I haven't been able to do that just yet. But check it out. Halloween still out there. Socks. Some of this is, just little this and that's, but check out these LED battery operated lights. I'll definitely be using those for Christmas decorations. Here's all of the coloring books. Again, I found some more, but they are in a tote in the back of my van currently. I'm sure some of you guys can relate. It's just been a very, very busy week. And like I said, the amount of penny items that I've been finding is just crazy. It is so crazy that these items are still out there in these stores. All of the employees know by now that, hey, we had a huge penny list. Last week, it went out to all the stores, and these items are still out there to be picked up. Now, some of these are older penny items like these Active wipes, but hey, we'll use them for something. I was super excited about these shaker cups right here. And up next, you guys are going to see just some random miscellaneous surprise pennies that I found. We've got hair color, Centrum minis, Nexium bounce dryer sheets. We have some of the sun care that recently pennied out. Here we have the face mask, spray, antibacterial hand sprays. We've got CoverGirl. Here's some Lady Speed Stick, Garnier Whole Blends, and those bounce dryer sheets. Now, I didn't make a slide for each one showing the UPC. Honestly, at this point, I don't think that the UPC codes are very helpful, because if you type them into your phone, it's just going to tell you that it's not sold at this store or it's out of stock, because these items have been on the sales floor for so long. So my best advice to you all is to just get out there and scan. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but man, I have so much more that I want to share with you all. So make sure that you stay tuned. Tomorrow tomorrow is a brand new week at Dollar General. We have new coupons, new glitches, first thing tomorrow morning. Don't miss out on that video. Make sure that you do all the things before you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.